All right, good morning. Welcome back to Elements of Calculus 2. We are going through the next problem here. I think it's problem number 11. Double check. It is indeed problem number 11. All right. So this one is a limit problem. We have to do the integral. So the first thing you do with a limit is you just plug things in and see what happens. So we end up with e to the 0, which is 1, minus, when x is 0, we get 0, minus 1, divided by 0 squared, and we end up with 0 over 0. Uh-oh, this is an indeterminate form. Okay, we have to check this, so we're going to go ahead and use L'Hopital's. Okay, so once we have acknowledged it's an indeterminate form, please do this and make sure that you told me, like, hey, it's indeterminate, we're going to use L'Hopital's. Don't just jump into L'Hopital's. Okay, we have to check. So what we do is we take the derivative of the top and the bottom. This is not a quotient rule. It's derivative of the top, which is just e to the x, minus 1. The derivative of 1 is 0, of course. The derivative on the bottom, 2x. We still have a limit as x approaches 0. Go ahead and plug it in and see what happens. We get e to the 0, which is 1, minus 1, divided by 2 times 0. So we end up with 0 over 0 again. Oh, it didn't work. That's okay. You can reapply L'Hopital's and do it multiple times. So, hey, we get an indeterminate form. Okay, which means use L'Hopital's. Okay, so let's go ahead and take another derivative. So we end up with e to the x. The derivative of 1 is 0, so we don't have to worry about that. Divided by 2, and this is the limit as x approaches 0. Plug in the 0, and we end up with e to the 0, which is 1, divided by 2. Oh, look at that. The limit is equal to 1/2. That's all there is to that problem. So with L'Hopital's, it's really important. Tell me that you got an indeterminate form before you go off to use L'Hopital's. That's the most important thing. Like, show me that you've got an indeterminate form first. Then you can go ahead and use it. If you don't show me, then I don't give you credit for it. So be aware that that's what I'm looking for. Good luck with the test, everybody, and thank you for watching the video. Right? See you in the next one. Stop and